the ELINA Pilates Convertible Cadillac Reformer. Whenever you are considering or researching Pilates machines, ELINA Pilates will definitely be in your search. ELINA Pilates produces many different types of Pilates machines, but the one that has caught our attention is the ELINA Pilates Convertible Cadillac Reformer. This unique and compact machine converts from a Pilates Cadillac to a reformer with no issue and is also suitable for studio and home use. Thus, this reformer is highly suitable for the Pilates private home trainer or trainee. What really makes this machine stand out is its ability to offer support to those persons who are seeking rehabilitation during their Pilates session. This ELINA Pilates Reformer machine also offers the user some amazing features, such as the easy-to-handle twin-size drop-in mats for the Cadillac bed. It also has an anodized aluminum bar that users can set as a 3-slider bar that adjusts up to 3 heights. Other pertinent features include a padded trapeze bar with spring collars, 10 trapeze springs with snaps in a variety of colors, 1 solid roll-down bar, 1 pair of fuzzies, 1 pair single loops, 2 pieces of stability slings, 2 foot straps, and a padded foot bar. All these amazing add-ons surely contribute to the effectiveness of this Cadillac Reformer machine. Here are some pros. Has a variety of features and add-ons, doubles as a Cadillac and a reformer, built for comfort. Here are the cons. None that stick.